Chris, where are we?
Signia.
We are at the Signia, which is attached to the Waldorf Astoria here on Disney property off of Bonnet Creek Parkway. And we walked into our room, huge entryway. We've got a bathroom here. Ooh, look at the rug in the bathroom. It's all kinds of towels, big sink, beautiful mirror, makeup mirror, LAFCO. That's the products out of New York. Standard commode, shower tub. And I believe if you do the two queens, you get the shower tub because there are so many you have kids. And if you get the king, you usually get the walk-in shower. Nice big mirror here. Over here, with my, got the ironing board. Signia brand. They redid it. It was a Hilton, and 3 years ago they turned it into Signia, which is a convention resort hotel. I like that the beds aren't really, really high off the ground because I hate when I have to, like, kill myself trying to climb in. Got your thermostat here, artwork, nice headboards. No. Oop, you want to answer that? Chris is going to answer our phone.
Oh. Good. Okay, thank you. Bye.
He's on his way up. We do have a safe down here. Got some cups down there. Oh, nice soft clothes. Got a refrigerator. Beverage cooler. Nice soft clothes. I like that. Got 3 drawers here for your stuff.
Auto or all?
It's fine on what it's on. And we've got a little bit of a coffee maker here. Some little pods. Let me tell you what they are. 2 Signia by Hilton waters that are... Oh, and look at this. Look at all these plugs. That is great. There's 5. 2, 4, 5 plus that. Awesome. That's amazing. All right, more artwork here. Got a chair by the desk area. We valeted the car because it was a bad thunderstorm out there. Looks like we've got a thing here as well with some outlets for your convenience.
That's All Star Sports over there.
Yep, we're going to get a few here in a second. Don't know how to turn those on. All right. So we're going to come over here and see what we got. We got a chair. I do like having an extra chair. And we are facing... Oh, there's the bowling pins. We're facing All-Star. So that's All-Star Sports. Straight ahead. That is the Bonnet Creek Golf Course. This is our pool area down here. There's a lazy river that goes all the way around. There's ducks in the pool. Because of the thunderstorm, there's no one in the water. But like I said, it is a convention center, and it does have a parking garage, and it is attached to the Waldorf Astoria. So great views of that. Let me see what I'm seeing. I see cranes over there. Trying to figure out which park that is. Is that Animal Kingdom? Could be. I got to get my bearings. And then that over there is All-Star Sports. Music and movies. Oh, yeah, we're right over here, so we're in this section. We're not far from Typhoon Lagoon, too. I think if you look out the other direction. But, yeah, great view. Crazy clouds. We drove through some wicked stuff after we hit the Florida border. So we're going to go down and do some searching as soon as they bring up our luggage.